Fridge side by side. Stop cooling properly. So a lot of snow and a back cover and a freezer. So the door gaskets are good. Nothing wrong. The fan was good and we have a lot of snow. Okay, let's start to do diagnostics. Before that, we need to defrost everything with my spinner. Yeah, let's check the heater. It's a glass GE defrost heater. Looks bad, rusted. Let's check the continuity. Okay, one side, different side, pin, okay. And there is an open line, bad heater, okay. Let's try to install the new heater. Okay, let's check it before, because as I told you, it's a glass heater and you need to pay attention if it wasn't damaged by delivery. Okay, test it. Okay, good news. Continuity. Okay, let's install it. Okay, one side connected, then different side. Please be careful with that glass G heater. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, screw it up. One side, different side, another side, I mean. Okay, here you are, installed. Okay, looks good. Well, coil was defrosted. Defrost by metal was good. Okay, done. Let's start you. Let's turn on the